Friends, I wanted to sell my old external hard drive, format it, believing all the data on it was gone forever. But after checking it, I realized how wrong that assumption was. This isn't a rare case. Formatting doesn't always mean your files are actually gone. And that's one of the biggest misconceptions about data privacy. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're testing what really happens to your data after formatting a drive and why this matters far more than most people realize. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's take a look inside. Friends, when you format a drive, the system usually just removes the file index. In simple terms, it tells the operating system that this space is now available. From a user's point of view, this feels like a clean reset, almost like starting from scratch. The drive looks empty, everything seems clean, but the data itself often stays right there until it's physically overwritten by new information. That difference between what we see and what actually happens is easy to miss. Guys, think of it like a book where someone removes the table of contents. The text is still inside, it just becomes harder to find. Page by page, the content is still there, even though navigation is gone. At a glance, the book feels incomplete, but nothing inside has really been removed. And under the right conditions, those files can still be recovered. That's where a real privacy risk appears. Not theoretical, but very real in everyday situations, especially when devices leave your control. So mates, I decided to test this properly. This drive is formatted. You've just seen it happen. There are no visible files on it. Nothing that would suggest any data is still present. Visually, it looks exactly the way most people expect a clean drive to look. I connect it to my computer and open Wondershare Recoverit. In the main menu, I select the external drive and click Scan to start a deep scan. I am not doing this to restore files for myself. I just want to see whether anything is still there. Folks, this isn't about recovery yet, it's about confirmation. The goal here is simply to verify the assumption that formatting equals deletion. And this is the uncomfortable part, because once you ask that question, the answer matters. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but it helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Folks, look at the results. The software finds hundreds of files that were thought to be completely removed from the drive. These are all files that were supposedly deleted from this drive, files that should no longer exist, files that most people would assume are long gone. I honestly thought formatting meant they were gone forever, but they are not. We can clearly see that the files are still here, and they're not even badly damaged. Everything is present, the data hasn't disappeared, it can be recovered, and it works. This isn't a rare edge case, it's a very common outcome. This isn't broken data or random fragments, it's usable information. I can open the files and confirm that they are fully accessible and working properly. They open, load, and behave exactly as expected. There's no visible sign that they were ever deleted in the first place. And friends, that also means something else. Not only can I recover this data, whoever I sell this drive to could do exactly the same thing and gain full access. No special tools or advanced skills required. And this is the real point. Data privacy isn't only about hackers or massive database leaks. One of the biggest risks is much simpler. It's the everyday actions we consider harmless. Small decisions that feel routine and safe. Guys, old storage devices that you sell, give away or forget in a drawer can still contain pieces of your digital life, long after you've stopped thinking about them. So if you're planning to sell, gift, or store an old drive, don't assume formatting is enough. Use encryption or proper secure erasing tools whenever possible. Treat old storage devices as sensitive, not disposable. And most importantly, never rely on assumptions alone. Always verify the result. Mates, using a recovery tool like Recoverit as a reality check helps you understand what's really happening to your data. It turns guesswork into clarity. It shows whether your files are truly gone or still quietly waiting to be recovered. Alright friends, let's wrap this up. What this test really shows is that formatting a drive doesn't mean your data is gone. Files can remain accessible long after you think they've been erased, and that creates a real privacy risk most people never consider. Data privacy isn't just about cyber attacks or large-scale leaks. Sometimes it's about everyday habits, old drives, quick formatting, and assumptions that turn out to be wrong. Using a recovery tool like Recoverit isn't only about getting files back, it's a way to understand what actually happens to your data and make more informed decisions before selling, storing, or giving away old devices. So take a moment to think about the drives you've already formatted. And more importantly, make sure your data is truly gone, not just hidden. If you're excited to try it out, or have already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.